Let's try another style question with percents and dilutions. So we'll go with our stock solutions where we use concentration of the first concentration of the first solution and volume of the first solution, which will equal concentration of the second solution and volume of the second solution, or C1V1 equals C2V2. So we have a 7% stock solution in my example here. You're required to make 500 mils of a 4% solution. So how do we proceed from here? Okay, so we have our 7%, our 4%, and our 500 mils. So the concentration of the first solution is 7%. We don't know how much volume we're going to be using yet. We're going to be figuring that out. So V2 is X mils. And the concentration of the second solution, we said we wanted to make 4%, and we wanted it to be in a 500 mil volume. So if we go ahead and we set that up this way first, so 7%, let's go ahead and just get rid of this for you. So we said that 7% X mils equals 4% and 500 mils. So we'll go ahead and we'll get rid of the 7% on this side so that we can have X by itself. Okay, and put it on the other side here, because whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side of the equation. Now we have percentage in our numerator and our denominator, so we can go ahead and we can cross out those percentages, okay? So we've done that, so we're going to be left with mils, and that's what we're going to be finding out as mils. So X mils equals 4 times 500, and it'll be divided by 7. So I've already gone ahead and calculated this, so we can see 4 times 500, which equals 2,000, and then divided by 7 gives us 285.714286. So I've rounded that up to 0.7, which is the 10th decimal place. And so I've got here 285.7, or we can even go ahead and round that up to a whole number of 286 mils, and then add that volume to 214 mils diluent, or sterile water, whichever it happens to be, IV fluids, whatever it means, just diluent, to create a 500 ml total volume. And we got there because 500 mils minus 286 mils of the stock solution leaves us with 214 mils left over. So that is how we go ahead and create a C1V1 calculation. So if I was to write this up, we could see here, just this part here, we're going to drop 286 mils and add that to 214 mils diluent to create 500 mils.